So, hi guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters we code of Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a Python topic today, which is set. So we all know about sets. What is set and what are its uses? So I won't go into that. I'll just start with properties of set. So we all know about this AND operator and OR operator. Yeah, these are quite common. We all know about it. So there is a special type of operator in set, which is like I don't know its name, but I can tell you how is it useful and what it returns. So I'll just add on with an example. It will be easy for you to understand through an example. And let's say I'm creating another set B, which is let's say 7, 8, 10 and 11. So what I'm doing, I'm just using this operator. I don't know what to say. Let's say it exponent. Though it is not an exponential operator, it won't do exponential stuff. But what this operator does, it returns the set of elements which are present in set A or set B, not in both of them. So if we run this code, you can see 7 and 8. It is present in both A and B. But yeah, it is present in both A and B. That's why it is not part of our output. That's why it is coming out to be 5, 6, 10, 11. I hope it was clear to you guys. Like, let's add some numbers. What if we do like 9 is already in this set and I am again adding a 9. So what do you think? What would be the output of the following? You try to figure out. You have 5 seconds to pause the video. Post your answer in the comment section. Yeah. If we do this 9, it is also included because the work of this operator is to return whether a number is present in set A or set B, not in both of them. 9, it is not present in set A, though it is present twice in set A, but it is not present in set B. So that's why 9 is printing out, but only once, not twice. So I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. Like, you can also rewind the video, take another look at it. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.